Hello students, we'll be taking up telephone switching systems today, and to begin with, let us know about the evolution of telecommunication systems. When I say evolution of telecommunication systems, we should know about what telephony means. For telephone, the literal meaning is long distance voice transmission. Transmission of voice over a longer distance. That is the literal meaning of telephony. Alexander Graham Bell demonstrated the first telephone set somewhere in the month of March in 1876, and it was one of the rarest inventions which was immediately put to practical use. The type of network which Alexander Graham Bell demonstrated was called as point-to-point network. Now, when I say point-to-point network or point-to-point telephone connection, this diagram illustrates point-to-point network. In a point-to-point network, the diagram which has been shown here, it shows five entities. Entity 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When I say five entities, that means five people who are connected among themselves. When they are connected among themselves, the type of connections which are there are point to point. That means every subscriber has a unique link or unique connection with any other subscriber in the network. For instance, first subscriber is connected with the second via this link, with the third via this link, fourth with this, and fifth with this. That means the first subscriber in this network requires four links for connection with the others. Similarly, the second one requires third link. Second is already connected with one, we have already counted them. Second is connected with third with this link, fourth with this, and fifth with this. So second entity requires three links for connection. Similarly, third would require two links, fourth would require one link, and fifth zero because it is already connected. That means the total number of links which are required in such type of a network having five entities is equal to 10. Now, let us assume that the network has n entities. And for n entities, the number of links required are n into n minus 1 upon 2. How does that come into picture? For instance, I have n subscribers which are present in a network, and the nth subscriber, the first, would require n minus 1 links. The second would require n minus 2, the third n minus 3, and so on. That means the total number of links required would be equal to n minus 1 plus n minus 2, so on till 1 and 0. And taking the formula of arithmetic progression, this comes as n into n minus 1 by 2. For a moderate number of the value of n, the number of links required here are large. So this type of point-to-point network had this thing as the major disadvantage, which led us to a system which incorporates switching system. Point-to-point networks are also called as fully connected networks. Now, these fully connected networks required larger number of links. That is why we had switching systems that came into being. Now, the subscribers were connected directly to the switching systems rather than being connected with themselves. This diagram shows the presence of a switching system. Here we have n subscribers, and all the n subscribers are connected to the switching system and not directly to one another. So we have n subscribers here, and if subscriber 2 wants to make a connection with subscriber n minus 1, that is connected via the switching system, and the number of links required here are equal to n. So for n is equal to 50, the number of links required in a Point-to-point network becomes 1225, but the number of links required here, diagram showing the switching system is 50. So considerable reduction in the number of links. This switching system also performs the control functions. Now what are control functions? Control functions are the functions which are performed by the switching system in establishing and releasing the connections. So switching systems, all the subscribers connected directly to the office, which is also called as the exchange. Switching systems are also connected among themselves to support the subscribers, which are called as trunk subscribers. That means if a subscriber in one city wants to make a call to a subscriber who is into the other city, two switching systems would be connected among themselves to make this possible. So switching systems played the most vital role in telecommunication systems. And, and in the next lecture, we would have the classification of switching systems as the next subtopic, which is very important and we'll study it in detail. Thank you for now.